Yo, all right, in the shop today. Well, actually, I started this yesterday, but I just forgot to videotape. Um, it happens sometimes. So here we are. Beautiful convertible 1970. This car, the guy that brought it in, his dad bought it 6 months after he was born, so it's been in their family forever. Well, since it was brand new. And him and his brother both learned to drive in this car, and it's been sitting for 30 years, so he's got it out and getting it running. We cleared the fuel line. It was packed full of varnish, but at any rate, we're doing some floor repair. So here's what I did yesterday. Didn't really want to have to deal with pulling the body off, so yeah, we ordered some panels and cut them out and put them in. So we're gonna do this side today, and this side's a little bit more of a problem. Sometime 40 years ago or something, somebody replaced this whole floor pan, but they didn't take the body off, and their skills weren't quite up to it. As you can see, it's like they did a really rough job. So I'm gonna have to deal with that and kind of work around that as much as possible. But yeah, I'm getting ready to cut this one out and we'll get started, so let's do it. All right, so we got that. What up, Al?
Heyo.
We got that one out. It's really bad. The panel they used originally when they did this repair was apparently a pretty cheap one. It's super thin. So this is a patch going in on a patch, which kind of sucks, but we don't really have the option to remove the body and do the whole pan, so there it is. So Al's cleaning all of this up, and I have the old part over here. So we're going to cut out our patch panel. I'm going to do what I did on the other one and try to leave a 1/4 inch so that I can bead roll it, so there's a little bit of an offset so that we have an overlap, not just a butt weld or anything like that. Overlap, stitch weld, seal from the inside, good to go. All right, let's get to it. All right, so we're all done with that. There we go, got our panels in here. So like I said, I'll show you from the top. We bead rolled this outer edge so that we could get a nice overlap and then seal it from the inside. And it looks like there's big gaps from out here, but there really isn't. And then once we seal it from the inside, yeah, they'll be good. They're rock solid. All right, let's drop her down and see how it looks from the inside. All right, so here we are on the inside. Both sides, nice and secure. And you can see what I'm talking about with the gap. It's nice and flush all the way around here. So it fits up nice and secure. So yeah, Odie, the owner, is going to seal that from the inside, and that's it, man. All done. Ready to rock. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.